property with Madame Homes. I'm gonna give you a little rundown about Madame Homes. Madame Home built my home. My personal home where I live was built by Madame. So Madame Home, I do have a lot of trust on them, and I was so excited to find out that Madame is building a community in my backyard.
I'm a renter, baby, and you know these high rates got me going crazy. I just work harder, you know I ain't never lazy. I love helping out these families, it feels amazing. Yeah, it feels amazing. REALTOR, real estate rock star, putting work, going hard like 7 days a week, cause there ain't no resting. And you tied down as long as you still renting. And I don't know who told you that the market's gonna crash. Don't be living in the past, make a move, do it fast. Get a home with a view and a yard and some grass. Next spot gonna be better than your last.
What's up? I am here getting ready to leave the door. I have a meeting with Madame Homes. I just wanted to put this out there right before I head out the door.
Have you or someone you know been denied life insurance? Don't worry. At Sincere Financial, we specialize in helping thousands secure the best insurance coverage, no matter their health issues. If you're 85 years old or younger, we can help you find the right plan. Call us today and get the coverage you deserve.
So I want you guys to keep up with me. I am heading to Apopka right now at this new subdivision that Madame is building. We're having a meeting. And I'm gonna take you guys with me on that trip. That way you get to see what's going on, what's out here. Hey guys, guess what? We are at the property of Middle Arc, London. Is a property with Madame Homes. I'm gonna give you a little rundown about Madame Homes. Madame Home built my home. My personal home where I live was built by Madame. So Madame Home, I do have a lot of trust on them. And I was so excited to find out that Madame is building a community in my backyard. So if you looking to purchase a brand new home, new construction, you are the first person who got to live in this property. Hit me up because I'm here to hook you up. I'm here to help you find your dream home. So we are the Madame Home new subdivision here in Apopka, Florida. The homes are so beautiful, you guys. They built my home. They are my preferred builder. Just so you know, when an agent tell you preferred builder, you better believe us. It's on the model we choose to get. Some of the space might be a lot bigger than others. We have the master bedroom over here. Master bedroom. Quality. With Madame Homes, you always get quality. One more thing I wanted to say. have a double shower. One can be on that corner and the other is on the other side.
MIC Collection.
Lady in red, fierce. Brown cocoa, beauty.
Chocolate velvet, elegance.
Thank you for watching my video today. Thank you for engaging with me. If you have not hit that bell button, if you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it right now, because your girl going to put so much content out there that you do not want to miss. And also comment again, let me know your opinions about my content. That way I know to give you what you want a lot more often. And again, you guys, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.